Hello everyone, this is Oshani from Cheenta.com. Welcome to another Math Adda where we speak everything mathematics. Today I wanted to share with you something that has been happening for quite some times, but this year this was like most pronounced. In Iochium, the first level of the real mathematical Olympiads in India, thousands and lakhs of students participated. Many of these students were also participating in the private Olympiads in the lower classes. They have gotten silver, they have gotten gold, they have gotten a ton of marks, certificates and so on. And then they went and took the Iochium, the first level of the real mathematical Olympiads in India. And many of them got single-digit numbers, even zeros. And this is really sad because these are very talented kids. These are very talented kids who are excited about mathematics. They had very high hopes because they took the private Olympiads. They got a very high score. They got silver, gold, and all sorts of stuff. So it's natural that they have a very high hope for their results in Iochium. And that didn't happen. And we warn about these things at Cheenta. We have about 500 or 600 students at the moment. And we tell them over and over again, do not go for the private Olympiads. They are fake. They're not adding any value. The questions are not even close to the actual Olympiads. And most importantly, they're putting in false hope in the mind of children. The standard of questions, if you have taken the Iochium this year and if you have taken any of the private Olympiads before, you will see that there is a hell and heaven difference. Even if you have seen the Iochium papers from the past years or the PRMO papers from the even older PRMO papers, if you've seen them, Iochium this year was of a very different level, very different standard. We had a very nice, fun time solving some of the Iochium problems with some of our ex-students. Gunjan Agarwal was one of them. She's an EGMO awardee. She's an IMO awardee. We had Arjun Gupta, who is IMO awardee, in fact. So we had quite a few talented kids, ex-students of Cheenta, and we sat together and we're solving these problems. And we also realized that the 5-point questions were actually quite challenging. Nothing anywhere close to the past year's PRMO or the silver, the so-called the private Olympiads. So this is something that I tell all of the students at Cheenta, the internal students. I want to tell you, the viewer, maybe you are a parent, maybe you are a student, do not go into the fake Olympiads. So how do you distinguish between a fake Olympiad and an actual real Olympiads? Well, there are a couple of things that you can check. Number one, who is organizing the Olympiad? For example, if it is organized by the Mathematical Association of that country, maybe it is by Mathematical Association of America, maybe it is by Mathematical Association of Australia, maybe it is the Mathematics Teachers Association in India, the NMTC, AMTI, Association of Mathematics Teachers of India. These are good contests because these contests, whether or not they have a relevance in your journey toward IMO, these contests will have good problems because they are created by mathematicians, real teachers. If you go for the private Olympiads, which are only there to make some money, we have to make money for surviving, right? That's fine. But making false promises, that's not right. And these Olympiads and their gold medals and silver medals make false promises to students that you were very good. See, I gave you a gold medal. Think about it. It's just a marketing gimmick. If someone gets a gold medal from anywhere, of course, that person will tell other people that, see, I've got a gold medal. That's some free marketing for the other people, right? So you should not fall for this. So I have discussed about the proper contest, the real Olympiads, numerous times in our webinars and videos and so on. If you are interested, check the link in the description. You can always join our community through WhatsApp. You can discuss these things with other parents, with teachers from Cheenta, with students who are seasoned, who are experienced on these matters. The other part that I wanted to say is that the reason Cheenta students did so well this year in Iochium, the results are not out, but we already know the scores from the official answer script. So, of course, when the results come out, we will share that with all of you. But for example, let's take the ISI and CMI entrance this year. 13 of our students were in the first 100 in the entire country. The reason the kids are doing so well is because of the problem-solving workshops that we have 5 days a week. Since we focus entirely on Olympiad mathematics or non-routine mathematics, we're not doing 5 different things like IIT JEE or whatever else. We don't do those things. We focus in this. This is our area of work. We focus on this. So I would urge you to focus on this sort of mathematics for at least 5 to 6 days every week. If you are not in Cheenta, do it on your own. Make sure you are devoting at least 1 hour of your day every day to non-routine mathematics. You can just think about a problem, jot down some examples, read a little bit, whatever it is. You have to do it every day. If you don't do it every day, then it doesn't make sense. You will not make a cumulative progress. That's what's important. At Cheenta, we say that you should be targeting 3,000 problems in a year. 3,000 problems, exposure to 3,000 problems, which means for our students, it's like 1,000 problems inside the class and 2,000 problems as homework. So that's 3,000 problems. Every day, 1 hour, it's just a starting point, but it's a good starting point. Think about it. So 2 things I wanted to share with you. Don't go for fake Olympiads. There is no need to take 10,000 contests and get false promises. Take 1 of them or 2 at most every year, which are good, which have good questions. That's the first thing. The second thing is do math every day. Okay? I do it. Even at this age, I do research. I read research papers. I watch seminars, webinars, recorded webinars in YouTube and all. I solve problems. So it's my world. It's the fun of it, right? So you can also see the beauty in this world and just get immersed in it. That's the point. So I hope we had a nice sort of an exchange. Well, it's just a one-sided thing, but please make it an exchange. Put your comments in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer. Tell me what you think about the fake Olympiads. I didn't name any names because that would be inappropriate, but all of us know which those are. So what do you think about the fake Olympiads? Tell me in the comment section. All right. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends. All right. Let's spread mathematics. Take care. Bye.